Hi guys, good evening. So today we will see about one company that I've identified that is having a good fundamental. So let's see. Let's not waste any time and see the company name. Okay. So this is not the company that we are going to see today. This is Page Industry. That just for comparison I took. So I am not sure if most of you know this Page Industry what they are doing. So but I am pretty sure that you know the Jockey brand. So the Jockey brand is under this company. So that Page Industry is the one which is manufacturing the Jockey Western briefs. Okay. So you can see this Jockey. So I will show this Jockey market cap. The market cap of the Jockey is 36,415 crore, and you can see the current price is already 32,000, which means that the price is near about to the market cap. It is almost same as the market cap. It is very funny actually. It will not happen in most of the companies. It is one of a company that it is having the market cap and the current price is the same, because you know the reason, because anyone knows. I will be surprised if you tell me anyone doesn't know the brand Jockey. Okay. So we are going to see such a brand, and the main reason why I'm quoting this as a comparison is because we are going to see the competitor of this. Okay. So the company that I would like to discuss with you today is the Lux Industries. Okay. So Lux Industries, it is not the Lux soap that it is manufactures. It is also manufacturing the Western briefs. Okay. So you can see this about the company. What is about the company? So it is the largest players in the horsery business, having a market share of 14% in the organized industry. Okay. And it is the largest mid-segment horsery enterprise in India. The company has more than 100 products across 16 brands. Okay. And the address is growing near to the customers. Okay. You can see the outlets. They have already 4,50,000 retail points outlets. And the good thing that I like about this company is it is spending money in the R&D. You can see the company spends around 8% of the turnover in the brand building. Okay. That means how we are knowing about the Jockey right now. So similarly they are working to branding their company. So once the company is known for this brand, when it shows a well established brand, then more and more people will go and buy for it, like how we do for the Jockey brand. So that is why. So you can see already having signed stars like Amitabh Bachchan and Varun Dhawan as brand ambassadors, and it has a very good network, distribution network. So however good is the company, one thing you need to notice: if you don't have a proper distribution network, you cannot sell your product. So you should have a well distribution network so that you can sell the product. So in this case, you can see it is having a very good distribution network. And we'll go to the fundamentals. You can see the market cap is 12,000. So that means it is just above the small cap. It is from small cap to mid cap. Between 10,000 to 30,000 crore is mid cap. And you can see the current price is now working at the level of 4,069. And if you go to the fundamentals, you can see the product profit and losses. So as usual, we will see from whatever the data we have. So we have the data from 2010. So on the year of 2010, the sales was 334 crores. Everything what you see here is in figures in the crores. So from 334 to 521, 547, 692, 871, 909, 941, 958, 1078, 1209, 64, and 1938. So that means it has almost grown, I think, 5 to 6 times. But there was a point to notice, there was never a dip here. Okay, there was never a dip in the sales. So each and every year the sales was growing every time. And it is the same with the net profit, from 4 crore profit on 2010. Now it is at 270. It is a very very big difference. I cannot even multiply it. I think it is close to 80 times. Okay, it has grown to, the net profit is grown to 80 times. And again here you can see that nowhere in a single year there was a dip. You can see the compounded sales growth. The compounded sales growth for the past 10 years is 14%. So this you have to note it. So any company that is giving a double digit growth, no, that is known to be well established company. So whenever you see this component sales growth that is in double digit, you can mark it at is already it has the knack of selling its products. Okay, so that is why the distribution network comes into play. So if you have a good distribution network, you can it will benefit in the sales. Okay, so the company stock price CAGR, it is only for the past 5 years, because this company was listed in the stock market only from the year of 2015. So that is why we are having only for the from the last 5 years. So you can see it is a tremendous 47% of CAGR, and profit growth also it is double digit. So everything in this screen is double digit growth. Okay, so the balance sheet is also is looking very good. So you can see in the balance sheet you can see only the reserves. Your reserves from the year of 2010, from 17 it has grown to 1000 and above reserves. So that means they have cash in hand, and they have a marginal borrowing. That means they have a debt of only 100 crores in the 1000 crores. So that means still they have 900 odd crores. Okay, and the best thing that I like here about is the shareholding pattern. You can see from the shareholding pattern from 2018 September, it was 73.71, and then it got reduced to 69.51 for some period of time. And in this quarter, that means in the June quarter, I mean not in this quarter, in the last quarter, that means in the same year, in this year, they have invested, the promoter have invested again the money, and they have come reached until 74.39. So any promoter can buy its own shares, its own company shares, until only 75%. So that is a norm of the SEBI, because the SEBI has told that if you are listing in stock market, you can the owners can have the stake of only the max of 75%. You can see already it is the maximum, it is near to the maximum. That means what I'm trying to tell here is the company has faith in its the owners are having faith in this company. So no one will invest or put more money in the company if they think that the company will be the company will not run in a profit. Okay, so that means they have a very good confidence on their company right now. Especially they have a future plans of very good growth. That's why they are putting your money. So they are giving, since they are holding 75%, that is, it is very difficult to the retail investors on the FIIs and DIs. Even you can see the FIIs as the foreign investors who has better tools, and they can invest more than the domestic institution. From 1.78 it has grown to 4.81. The point is here the promoters are not given any chance. Okay, so because they are holding the maximum of the shares, promoter holdings. Okay, it will be the same it will be the same like in the DMart. Okay, so this is a comparison. I will just show you the same thing here. So I told you that I told you that you can see here the financial performance for the last 5 years. So the green one is the sales growth, that is the revenue growth, and the orange one is the net income. You can see the sales has been increasing for the last 5 years. Okay, last 5 years is a continuously it is increasing. You can see the net income. You can see the net income also. It is at the moment it is 2.71 billion, and there is a year on year they are growing into double digits, just like how we have seen in the previous screen. So already so many times I told you the stock price will reflect on the basis of the sales and the revenue. So now the last point that we will check is the price. So this is our you would have seen our analysis. So we are not concentrated on the stock price at the beginning. The stock price should be the last thing that we should watch. Okay, you can see from 2016 to 2018 or 2019 there was a very minimum of run, and after that 2020 you can see how it is how the stock price are run. So always keep that in mind. The sales growth and the revenue growth will reflect in the stock price, if not today, tomorrow. Okay, so I'm at the last step. I'm just going to the website itself. I'm just showing you here. So you can see here they are producing 1.2 million garments in one day. Okay, in a single day they were producing 1.2 million garments in a day, and it itself is a too many big thing. And they are operating in 46 other countries also. Okay, and you can see the brands. So many of these brands you will not even know. Okay, so for example Jennets, and these are the brands that this company is operating. And we have seen in the previous screen that there are more than 100 products that this company is holding. And also Virat Kohli is the one I forgot especially which one that Virat Kohli is a brand ambassador. I think it is 18 or for ONN. Okay, so one of this one Virat Kohli is a brand ambassador for that. So it is a very good company. So if this company is keep on increasing the sales and revenue like how in the past, like in the past some years, 5 to 6 years, this can become the next Page Industries. So that is why in the beginning I compared it with the Page Industries. So right now this is a mid cap company. So for the investment point of view, since it's a mid cap, you should put the least amount. Okay, you should not put more than I would say like more than 5% of your total investment in the portfolio. So for example, if you have 1 lakh investment, you should only invest only one stock here, for example. So that will become 4%. Okay, you should not invest in this company a big amount. You should keep since it's a mid cap, you should invest the least amount. Okay, but we are not investing in a faltu company. We are investing in a very good fundamental company. So there is you have to leave time, and it will give the face values currently too. It can give you good returns in the long term. Okay, so this is a very good company. So you can think about you can see about this company, and when you are getting opportunity to buy this company in below RSI 50, you can take this company. You can think of buying 1 or 2 shares according to the investment in your portfolio. But please keep in mind that do not put more stake, do not buy more stakes in this company. Keep it only minimum. In the mid cap and small cap, we have to invest very little amount, and we have to invest only in the blue chips and the large caps that we have already shared. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much. Goodbye.